came from the static, the silence and heat. Learned how to balance with fire at my feet. Voices were cold, but I stayed in the zone. Built from the ashes, I carve out my own. Step through the smoke, let the quiet unfold. Nothing to prove, but a story to hold. Low on the light, but I'm rich on the tone. Rhythms like roots that I plant on my own.
I am not broken, I am designed this way. Let the cracks in me light the break. I don't run when the skies turn black. I bend, I burn, but I don't look back. I'm not broken.
Found my escape in the chords and the keys. Storm in my chest, but I'm calm in the breeze. Watch me evolve with a grin on my face. Pressure don't break me, it sharpens my pace. Shadows can follow, but I'm not the prey. I learn to lead when the path paved way.
I am not broken, I am designed this way. Let the cracks in